The S6 Max drone emerges as a readily portable and budget-conscious quadcopter, thoughtfully designed to welcome beginners and casual enthusiasts into the world of aerial flight. Its remarkably compact, foldable form factor, akin to the dimensions of an iPhone 7 Plus, underscores its exceptional portability, making it an effortless companion for on-the-go adventures. Sporting dual cameras, the S6 Max captures aerial perspectives with video resolutions reaching up to 720p, adequate for foundational aerial photography. However, the fixed positioning of the camera restricts creative framing, and the absence of GPS alongside sophisticated stabilization technologies could influence video clarity, particularly when contending with breezy conditions. The drone's control system, accessible through a user-friendly mobile application, is tailored for those new to piloting drones, though the lack of GPS can have implications for consistent flight stability. In terms of flight capabilities, the S6 Max offers a maximum flight ceiling of 50 meters and can achieve a top horizontal speed of 4 meters per second. The inclusion of an 1800 mAh battery delivers a typical flight duration of approximately 10 minutes for drones within this class. Recharging is conveniently done via a USB connection, adding to its appeal for users seeking ease of use while traveling. While the S6 Max drone provides an accessible gateway to drone operation, prospective buyers should carefully consider its inherent limitations. The fundamental camera specifications and constrained flight functionalities might not meet the demands of users aspiring to more advanced aerial pursuits. Nevertheless, for individuals new to drones or those in search of a straightforward, easily transportable device for recreational use, the S6 Max presents a sensible initial step. To summarize, the S6 Max drone stands out as a lightweight and user-oriented option, equipped with the essential features necessary for entry-level drone pilots. Its affordability, coupled with its portability, positions it as an appealing choice for newcomers eager to experience the basics of drone flight, although it may not fulfill the needs of those desiring more sophisticated capabilities. Best by link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comments and subscribe.